creepy and the cookie.
Hey guys, Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Safia. I felt like I haven't actually properly introduced myself in these videos. I just jump right in it. But I am a mom of 3 beautiful children, Aadam, Hafsa, and Zaynab. I am currently 22 years old, so this is like the young mom journey. I am currently working right now. Like, when am I not working? Seriously. I am doing Instacart right now. I feel like this is the quickest way to make money at the moment, aside from Uber on when I don't really want to keep getting out and like grocery shopping. But this week I have a few goals I want to hit quickly, so I decided to go ahead and do some grocery shopping. The pandemic is still going on, so people are still needing groceries, still trying to like limit their grocery store or going out times. I have my sister with me. I should drop her off home, but I'm not going to be that mean. She's been with me all day. My kids are currently home with their father. We're going to be going to the park later on, but before that, I need to do a few more runs. I'm on my way now to an Aldi, and this order is about, I think, fix the thing here, $18 or something like that. I can't remember, but like I said, it's a fast way to make money. I do a few orders, $20, $25, $18. It adds up quickly. So yeah, I will go ahead and show you guys how I do it and get in, get out. I literally beat the timer every single time. Well, every single time except for one time because the line was like super long. But other than that, I beat the timer. Alright guys, we made it. We're here at the Aldi's. I'm about to get out. They changed it. I hate that. Like, what is this? So aggravating. Okay. They changed it back to where you have to provide your own quarter. So I got my quarter. This order is a bit small. 20 items. But I think the units are like up there because they want like 6 bananas and 4 Gatorades. You know, stuff like that. But I'm going to have my sister get some clips of me. My phone is going to be occupied with the app. And I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Alright, there's a fellow Instacarter. It looks like she does the shopping part of it. I'm here getting my cart. Looks like they sprayed them down. Alright, so we have the order here. And I just go through normally. You can show the Aldi's, Nisa. This is what all the Aldi's, well, I wouldn't say all the Aldi's, but majority of the Aldi's look like. So I just go through. Sometimes they have like priority items at the top. And then they have like the snacks. And they kind of categorize it to whatever store you're going to. But I just like to look through it because sometimes, like here, the cilantro is all the way down here when it could have been up here with the rest of the vegetables and fruit. So I'm just looking through. So if I see these items as I'm going through, like now, the nuts, they put them all the way down here, but they're already here. Okay, as you can see, the time for me to finish, or like a goal, is 29 minutes. So far it's 5 minutes and I only have 12 items to do. If you saw in the beginning of the video, you would see how many items I had left. I know Aldi's and I know of quite a few other stores. Stop! I'm moving in. Yeah, you do. Okay, this is my sister. She's the one helping me record. But as I was saying, I try to beat the timer, and if you want to beat the timer and like get like a congratulations from them on the app, because sometimes if I beat like a record or something, it'll pop up, go to a store that you know. I do that. Like all the Aldi's, I know where things remotely are. We have a store called Schnucks and we have a store called Fresh Time here. There's also a store called Straub's. Like I frequent those and try to do the same locations over and over. So as you can see right here, this says Lunchmate oven roasted turkey breast. I had to refund the customer because they don't have any. It's empty. And the app said that someone found some at 4 o'clock, but here it is almost 7 o'clock, so I had a lot of traffic since then. So I just refunded the customer, and then she'll look at it and send it to my done. Right now I'm only at 16 minutes and I have 3 items to do. I'm gonna ask about the dates, but I didn't see those either. The Takis too? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, I'm talking. So I finished in 18 minutes and something. My sister was showing the cart. So just under 10 minutes, and I'm gonna click review changes. And if the customer needs me to call them, it's gonna pop up, but it's telling me to head to the register. Alright, so I have 7 bags here. I'm gonna pack all of this up. And I kind of guesstimate like the bags to see if I'm correct, and most of the time I am correct. I may have to leave out like some milk or like the oranges with the handle and stuff like that. So let's just get it all packed up. You recording?
Yeah.
Oh, you recording now for real?
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm positive.
Okay, we're out of the store. I'm about to load these
Back up!
Cause it's bright.
She said, back up.
No.
Ew.
She keep making me laugh, and I have
Go.
to yell because hold on. We're out the store, about to load up these groceries. Show the groceries.
Oh.
About to load up these groceries in the van. It did take 7 bags. It actually didn't take 7 bags, but I made it take 7 bags. What are you doing? Because I put the bread in a separate bag.
Yeah.
But I thought recording in the store was gonna be awkward, but it wasn't. Nobody was caring about me.
No
What are you doing? Stop!
I'm gonna say. Say what you gonna say.
Alrighty, I made it to the customer's house. I'm not gonna show it because of privacy reasons, but I'm gonna go ahead and get all of the groceries out. It said to place it at her door and take a picture once everything was put on her doorstep, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Bags are here. The picture will be taken. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I want you guys to go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.